Hi, welcome back to my channel. Here's another new code. Watch out and take care.
The beautiful Ririko Kinoshita. Code JUQ846. Released on August 13, 2024. And it has 120 minutes watch time. The story is about female instructor and the guy. The girl was married. One day, the two guys was not in good terms with each other, leading for the guy to broke his arms. So the instructor intervened the situation. Apparently, the guy wants some compensation for his injury. So the guy talked to the instructor and wants to do playtime with her. At first, the instructor hesitated, but later on, she eventually agreed. So afterwards, when they are alone at the classroom, things went out of control. They spent quality time together and the wonderful story began.
Make sure to subscribe and like and turn on notification for new codes. Thank you for watching.